Hello, this is Michael from Mike Kevin Videos. Well, today we are going to continue our web page design. So, last time I left you with the basic outline where we had the background and the basics of our web page. Now we need to add the content, which goes right here in the body tags. Now, what we first want to do is let's add an image. And to do that, we use the IMG tags. And then we need to put src equals, and we need to put some quotes and put images slash and then our logo name. Mine is logo.png. And then save it and refresh, and we have our image. And let's say we want to align it to the center. We can add some paragraph tags, P, which is just P, and we can push align center. And add the ending paragraph. Now the image you do not need ending. You don't need an ending. And now it's in the center. And wherever you move it to, it's automatically in the center. So now, let's say we want to be able to click on that and it'll bring us back to our home page. We can add a link. And to add a link, we want to do href, and then at the end you want to add another thing ending it, and in the href you want to make it go to index.php and save it and refresh. And now, wait, let's see what we did wrong. Oops, HTML, sorry. Right here. And now we can click on that and it brings us back to our home page. And then we want to put some stuff under it, but if we just go hello, how are you today, and refresh, you can kind of see it. We're gonna add a break first, of course. So a break tag, you don't need an ending for a break. And so yeah, and let's change the text color to a green. And now, hello. And, okay, so, hello, how are you? So now, let's add a table. So it's just, as most others, table tags. And now let's add some attributes to the table. Let's say the width to 100, or we could do percentage like this, or we could do 500 pixels, which I think is what I'll do, 500 pixels. And let's add the border to 7. And let's add cell padding, which gives it a little bit of padding around the edges, and I'll just do 7. Now what we need is table row, which is TR, and then we need table data columns, which is TD. And we can go hello, and we can add another row. You. And then we can add a whole new row. And good. And we can put how are you? And now we can push refresh and we have a table. hello, how are you? Good, how are you? And you can just add unlimited rows, columns, anything like that. And I'm gonna change this to, and now I'm going to remove most of these. And let's make a list in this. And for a list, I'm going to do an ordered list. And that's OL. And LI is a list item. And that needs an ending tag. And so, and list item 1. And for every one, you just add a new list item. List item 2. And you can just add as much of these as you want. And I will show you this. And you have our list. But let's say you want it so it's not numbered, you just want bullets. Change that OL to UL, which is unordered list, and you just get bullets. Okay? And so it's pretty simple. And now let's add another link. And you can also add videos in here. You can do video source, or if you have an embed code from YouTube, you can put that in here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a link. Okay, let's say, here is my blog. Check it out. And I'll do in another row. And you always have to make all these decisions, how you want it to look before you do this. And I'll add a link. Click here. But if you put just michaelsblog.co.cc, it'll think of that as a file. So if you click, it thinks of it as a file, and it's looking for a file. And so you have to remember to put that HTTP, and then you will be able to, it counts it as a link. Yes, as I was saying, you have to have the HTTP : / in front of the address. And so this is my blog. Now I'm going to show you how to link to other files, which you might have gotten on by now, but okay. And now we're going to click here to see the second file. And just add another link. Click here. And now, first, we're going to have to create a new file. And I'm just gonna copy all this and paste it right in there again. And just change a little bit, like right here. I'm just going to take out this whole second row. And, oh wait, cancel. I'm going to change this to my second. And just save it as 2.html. And now we're going to, of course, close that out. And then for the Ahref, we're going to link it to 2.html. And now let's just refresh, and we can click here, and it brings us to this. And I will actually open up that file. Oh, wrong. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. And so that's pretty much it. It's just a simple web page. And in the next part, I will show you how to get hosting and for free, and how to upload your file to the server. And yes. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and have a good day, and please join me in the next part. Okay, thanks.